Are you wondering how to improve your credit score but don't know where to begin? My name is Jeff Pierre with Extensive Credit Solutions, and in today's video, I will share with you 5 ways you can improve your credit. Step 1, pay your bills on time. When lenders review your credit report and request a credit score for you, they're very interested in how reliably you pay your bills. So paying late or settling an account for less than what you originally agreed to pay can negatively affect your credit score. Step 2, pay off debt and keep balances low on credit cards and other revolving credit. Credit utilization is very important in credit score calculations. It's calculated by adding all your credit card balances at any given time and dividing that amount by your total credit limit. So for example, if you typically charge about $2,000 each month and your total credit limit across all your cards is $10,000, your utilization ratio is 20%. Step 3, don't close unused credit cards. Keeping unused credit cards open, as long as they're not costing you money in annual fees, is a smart strategy because closing an account may increase your credit utilization ratio. Owing the same amount but having fewer open accounts may lower your credit scores. Step 4, don't apply for too much new credit, resulting in multiple inquiries. Opening a new credit card can increase your overall credit limit, but applying for credit creates a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many hard inquiries can negatively impact your score. However, this will fade over time. Hard inquiries do remain on your credit report for 2 years. Okay? Step 5, apply for and open new credit accounts only as needed. Unnecessary credit can harm your credit score in multiple ways, from forming too many hard inquiries on your credit report to tempting you to overspend. If you'd like to learn how else you can build your credit, click the link below for more information.